Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make blueberry pie. Over here I have a cherry pie and over here I have a blueberry pie. Now there's a reason. There's a lesson that we need to learn in this. I did a video on how to make pie crust, and it's very important that you fold your pie crust because I forgot to fold the pie crust when I made this one, and look at what happened. It looks terrible, but that's okay. My stomach doesn't care. I'm sad. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna watch a sad movie with a fork. I'm gonna eat this whole thing, and my stomach will not care. But I wanted to show you the difference. Alright, to get started on my blueberry pie filling, I have my pot on my little induction cooker, and I got some frozen blueberries. You can totally use fresh if you want, but I'm gonna give it a little smack. And we are going to, I'm gonna get this put back over here. There. We're gonna get started with half a cup of sugar into our pan. And I'm gonna get this opened up for you. And now we're gonna add into our pan 4.5 cups of blueberries. It's a little over half a cup, but I ain't dumping it back, so there we go. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and put it up to about medium-ish high speed, heat, whatever. And we're going to let this heat up. We're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're going to let this cook down. So I'm going to stir it up and we're going to let it cook down on our stove. Alright, now as you can see, she is nice and thick. And when I move her around, she slowly kind of melds back. This is when you know that your pie crust. This is when you know that your pie filling is done. Now I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to let it cool down while our oven is preheating. We're going to grab our pie crust, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Now, if you want your pie crust to kind of hold its integrity a little bit better, I would suggest you let this cool down a little bit before you put it in. Alrighty, our blueberry pie filling has cooled down to the point where I can get my hastily made pie crust into the oven. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to tip her in, and we're going to dump her in just like so. Like that. Just like that. Now I don't want to fill, now the reason why we're not filling our pie dish all the way up is because blueberry pie filling has a severe issue with overflowing. So we prevent that by letting it be a little under the general line. Alright, I hope that made sense. Now we are going to pop our top on. No, I do not care about what it looks like because it is going in my mouth. Now we're going to rip off our sides. Maybe do a little bit of surgery. I just smeared, oh, I'm making it worse. Okay, I need to wipe that off. When I get done with this, I'm going to wipe that, don't worry. She's not going to be the prettiest pie that the world has ever seen, but she's going to be good. I'm sure I'm going to get some comments about that. And to you guys that like to call my food ugly, that's totally fine. You're entitled to your opinion. Feel free to adjust your halos. I am not giving you the time of day. Alright, we got her all pitched in, and I'm going to put our oven in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top of this crust is a nice golden color. You will see what she looks like in the end. Poke a few more holes, allow that air, and I will show you what the finished results look like. Alright guys, you have made it to the end of the video, and there is my pie, looking as delicious as ever. I wish you could be here to smell it. It smells awesome. Now, I am not the best at this, but I'm going to try to one-arm Susie this thing over to my plate. You generally want to wait until this cools down completely so that your pie filling doesn't roll into the abyss, but I am impatient and I want pie now. So here we go. I'm going to try to lift it up without making it fall apart. Ooh, that looks so good. That, my friends, is what love looks like. Oh. Well, I am going to be digging into my pie now, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you for watching the video. As always, God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.